Our strategic plan, adopted in 2019, has empowered the American Psychological Association to reshape the landscape of psychology, uniting a diverse community to improve lives. Our mission has never been more vital as we navigate an era marked by rapid technological advancements, complex social challenges, and a profound need for mental health care innovation. Today, we stand united, poised to address these challenges with resilience and expertise. APA's commitment to advance population health has gained momentum since Council's adoption of a population health policy. Our partnership with the National Association for State Mental Health Program Directors has enabled us to advise state mental health systems as they implement population health strategies. Our advocacy around rural health is one way that we are translating those strategies into action. In partnership with our members, we are using psychological expertise to help shape public policy, pushing care into communities where and when people need it, in ways that reduce stigma and acknowledge the unique characteristics of rural and frontier settings. APA's Population Health Science Summit in September 23 marked a pivotal moment, with experts from across the field rallying to align the psychological research agenda with the population health goals that Council has identified. In February 2023, Council voted to establish a Committee for the Advancement of General Applied Psychology, part of APA's broader commitment to ensure applied psychologists can find their home at APA. Our goal is to apply psychological knowledge to critical societal issues. As part of that commitment, APA brought the power of applied psychology to new audiences at the 2024 Consumer Electronics Show, the most powerful tech event in the world, with APA members presenting on burgeoning issues like the ethics of artificial intelligence, digital therapeutics, and more. The association has built critical new partnerships within the technology industry, ensuring APA and applied psychology have a seat at key tables as issues continue to evolve. APA is addressing safe social media use among children, providing critical support and guidance for parents and policymakers who seek actionable insights. APA's first-ever health advisory on adolescent social media use helped policymakers inform our nation's next steps to promote well-being for our kids. Since then, APA Chief Science Officer Dr. Mitch Prinstein was invited to participate in 9 panels at the Davos World Economic Forum. APA CEO Dr. Arthur C. Evans Jr. was invited to the White House Roundtable on Kids' Online Health and Safety. We are providing unique contributions based on our science that are influencing global discussions on adolescent development and digital wellness. We will continue our work to address the most pressing societal issues. Council's resolution reaffirming APA's commitment to reproductive rights has allowed psychology to advocate for safeguarding women's reproductive rights. Led by our member experts, APA filed an amicus brief in the U.S. Supreme Court, citing Council's policy and decades of scientific research documenting the negative physical and mental health outcomes when women are denied the right to abortion. And as American stress levels continue to rise, APA has become a critical resource for the public, with the 2023 Stress in America survey painting a picture of a stressed nation recovering from collective trauma, and the 2023 Work in America survey drawing attention to the mental health effects of evolving workplaces. This work has been highly cited by the media, reaching millions globally and drawing attention to psychology's role in creating solutions. Psychology has provided science-backed research on fighting back against the rise of mis- and disinformation. Cognitive and social psychology have central roles to play in decreasing people's susceptibility to these threats and protecting them from their harmful effects. In November 2023, APA released its consensus statement on using psychological science to understand and fight health misinformation, offering the best available psychological science on misinformation, particularly as it relates to health. The report provides 8 specific recommendations to help scientists, policymakers, and health professionals respond to the ongoing threats posed by misinformation. Underlying all APA's work is a fundamental belief in and commitment to equity, diversity, and inclusion. Council has played a crucial role in infusing these principles into how we approach our work. In February 2023, Council voted in support of an offer of apology on behalf of APA to First Peoples in the United States. In collaboration with the Society of Indian Psychologists and Indigenous Experts, APA developed a brief on the Indian Child Welfare Act, which included psychological research on topics such as healthy identity development, enculturation, historical trauma, and resilience. The U.S. Supreme Court explicitly cited the APA brief in upholding this act. Council also passed the Quality Professional Development and Continuing Education Resolution, ensuring that our policies are firmly based in principles of equity, diversity, inclusion, and accessibility, acknowledge the intersectionality of identities, and use culturally relevant evidence. August 2023 marked another milestone when the Council endorsed recommendations for best practices to improve the promotion and tenure process for faculty of color, an effort aimed at making tangible steps to instigate systemic change across the psychological sciences. These actions, and many more, underscore APA's long-term commitment to ensuring a diverse and inclusive field that can help to foster these same ideals in broader society. From our partnerships, like that with Sesame Workshop, to our own association, where we've developed resources to facilitate conversations about race and racism with very young children, contributing to a foundation of understanding and respect in our society and for future generations. As we reflect on these achievements, it's clear that people are taking notice. Our membership numbers and media mentions have soared, a testament to the trust and influence we've garnered. Strategic partnerships have further amplified our impact, showcasing the vital role of psychology in today's most pressing issues. The strategic plan being proposed for Council's adoption in 2024 is not just a blueprint for the future. It's a commitment to continued leadership and innovation. Informed by insights from Council and thousands of other APA members, this plan will guide us in making a lasting impact on the issues that matter most. APA stands at the forefront of a transformative era in psychology. Through our united efforts, we are not only understanding the human condition, but elevating it to new heights. As we move forward, our leadership, innovation, and insights will continue to lead the way, shaping a future where psychology not only informs, but leads, a future we are proud to create together.